I'll show you the exact sequence to scan and pay at self-checkout using Walmart Pay, how to handle EBT split payments, and the pro shortcut to open Walmart Pay without even searching for the app icon. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Before you even hit the self-checkout lane, make sure your wallet is ready. Open the Walmart app and tap Account, then tap Wallet. Ensure your preferred credit, debit, or EBT SNAP card is selected. At the self-checkout kiosk, scan your items as you normally would. If your location services are on, the Walmart app will automatically switch to store mode. Look for the Walmart Pay icon right on your phone's lock screen or the app's homepage for instant access. Once you've scanned your last item, tap the green Pay button on the Walmart register screen. A large QR code will appear on the credit card terminal screen, which is the small device where you'd normally swipe a card. Tap the Walmart Pay icon on the phone app. Use your Face ID or fingerprint to unlock it. Hold your phone camera up to the QR code on the terminal. You don't need to be perfectly centered. The latest update is much faster at grabbing the code from an angle. You'll hear a ding from the register and feel a vibration on your phone. If you're using EBT, the app will ask you to enter your PIN directly on your phone screen for security. If your EBT doesn't cover everything, Walmart Pay will automatically charge the remaining balance to your backup debit or credit card. Your receipt will instantly pop up in the app under Purchase History. If a worker asks to check your receipt, just show them the exit barcode on your phone. They'll scan it with their handheld device and you're good to go. If it fails, make sure you're connected to Walmart's free Wi-Fi. The metal roofs in Walmart stores often block cell signals, causing the QR scan to fail. If the terminal isn't reading your phone, turn your screen brightness up to 100%. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.